Hey YouTube, it's Justin from Justin Sturgill Trucking. Today we are going to put a bumper on JST6. So I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on a Peterbilt 567. Hopefully I got enough steroid jerk left in me. Hopefully I'm not, low T or anything like that. To manhandle this bumper on there, because she might be a little bit heavy. But anyway, without further ado, let's get in here and go ahead and take this bumper off. I'll explain the tools you need, why you're doing that, and we'll see what we can do here to get this heavy motherfucker off here, because I'm feeling it's going to be heavy. So we'll get you guys moved around, and we'll take a look at this fucking project. This was the one that somebody fucked up earlier. So what I'm going to do is put this on here. Now this stuff is all okay. All these bolts are 15/16. So there is one down here, one over there, 4 bolts that hold this toe pin on, okay, and 4 bolts that hold that on. Okay, so we'll just, now I'm using the Milwaukee here, so let me get, let me come over here to this one. Ah, come on. Okay, you got that off there. I'm going to take this toe pin off. 1. Ooh. Big bolts, they have these. I didn't think that would happen. All right, we got that off. All right, let's take that one off. Okay, I wouldn't recommend this to do this by yourself, but let me get, now what we're trying to do is, there's that. Okay. Whew. So we got it. Where we need that. Okay. Oh boy. This is gonna suck. Fuck me. Holy shit. Okay. Well, we gotta get, holy shit. Okay. Fuck me. Let me get it up there. Okay. Now we gotta do okay. Now let's lift. Oh, okay. What I'm really looking forward to is, so it's gonna come way over this way. This sucks. Oh, okay. Let's see. Damn it! All right, that hurt my fucking hand. Okay, okay. Let's fucking regroup here. Let me think about this. Okay, so the key is this is fucking heavy. Okay, this is kind of no fun by yourself. Really need 2 people, but I ain't got that. Not at this particular time. Okay. Now, we're gonna try her again. Okay? I mean, I already scratched the shit out of this bumper. I really don't care. At this point, all I want to do is win. Okay. Okay, that holds up some of the pressure. We're fucking winning. Okay, there's that. Now let's get okay, for a washer. Because I think we should get it lined up before we go fucking too crazy here. Wonder why these are longer. See, I don't know why those are longer, but I'm thinking it's because they gotta go to the top. Alright. Okay. Get all that started. Whew. This is a lot of fun. Alright. Okay. Now, let's see if this works. to check something here. Come on. Jeez. Whew. Man. Man, this sucks. Steel bumpers are fucking heavy. All right. Okay. All righty. There's that. Shoo-wee. Shoo-wee. All right. Now what I want to do is open up this hood because I want to make sure that the those pins for that. All right. Okay. Good. Nothing is hitting. Wanted to make sure that nothing is hitting the fucking radiator. You know, you never can tell. There's that. Shoo-wee. Alrighty, get the plastic off this thing, and then we got a brand new bumper on there. Alrighty, there's our bumper. We got the bumper on there, that's fixed. You saw me in another video bend it back just so we had it looking okay, but that bumper is pretty much racked. They do cost $1,500 from Peterbilt, just to let you know. And that's how you manhandle a bumper on there. I would recommend 2 people. You definitely don't want a guy low on T, you know. You don't want a guy with low testosterone trying to lift this. You are going to get a hernia and hurt your back, so just letting you know that. But like always, check out Justin Sturgill Trucking, Facebook, Instagram, all that jazz. Become a Patreon of mine, help support this channel. You know, it helps me make videos and all that stuff, keeps me motivated. But, you know, like always, thanks for watching. And I gotta fucking go, because that was a fucking workout. Holy shit. Fuck.